In today's video, I'm going to show you how to charge an electric vehicle. It is